Hi there. Welcome to Lesson 3. I'm your lecturer Elaine from CVlounge. Today we're going to look at creating a letterhead using Microsoft Word. The first thing that you want to do is insert a header and footer. Go to Insert, Header, and now just delete this text, and there you go. Now we want to add our logo to appear on the header. So we go to Insert, Picture, browse for your logo, and resize it, like that. Now we want to move it to the right side, but we don't have control to do that. If you want more control over the picture or logo, you can right-click on it, wrap text, and select Behind Text. And now you have full control over your logo, and you can place it where you want. If you want to add some text underneath your logo, you just type in here, and press Enter a few times, just so you know this will be the space where your logo will be. Press Tab a few times and move your logo just above it. Okay, like that. Let's add just a thin line underneath the text, just to separate the heading from your body. We go to Insert, Shapes, and select your line. Draw it the length you want it to be, and holding Shift in on your laptop automatically makes it a straight line. To edit the options of the line, we right-click on it and select Format Shape. Let's make the line style width bigger so we can see the line. And you can also change the color here. And let's make it also orange. And say Close. Now we go to the footer. For this example, we are going to add the content in the footer and center align it. Type in the information that you want on the letterhead, the company name, your contact number, email address, and website address. We center align it, and we select a nice readable font like Arial or Calibri. Let's make the font size a bit small. It should be smaller than the size of your body text. Alright, let's make it an 8, like that. And let's align it more to use the space we have, like that. Let's add the line shape here as well. I'm going to copy it from the header and just paste it into the footer. So I press Ctrl C on my keyboard for copy and Ctrl V for paste. Now we just drag it to the footer. Like that. Once you are done, you can test by double-clicking on the body and start to type some letters or pressing enter. If we go on to a next page, you will notice the header and footer also carried on. And that is a letterhead. So let's go back and just add dummy text for our user, whoever is going to use the letterhead. If you see everything is good, save your letterhead And we are done. I hope you enjoyed it. Visit the lounge area for discussions with others. See you on the next lesson.